Have you ever dreamed of speaking English with confidence? Have you ever wanted to understand English movies, songs, and conversations without feeling lost? What if today could be the first step toward that dream? Welcome to English Life Story. Today is not just another lesson. Today is your first practice day. And every great journey starts with one simple step.
That's true, Sarah. Many learners think they need perfect English before they can speak, but the real secret is simple. Start speaking today. Start with what you know.
Exactly, John. Today, we will practice together. We will read, speak, listen, and build confidence. Let's begin. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning. The sun is shining. You feel fresh. You feel ready. You sit on your bed and smile. Then you say, I can speak English.
That's a powerful sentence. It's simple, but it changes your mindset.
Yes, say it again. I can speak English. Every learner needs confidence. Before you improve your English, you must believe you can improve.
I remember when I started learning a new language, I made many mistakes, but every day I told myself, I can do this. That small sentence helped me continue.
Now let's talk about your day. Listen and repeat. I wake up early every day. I drink water. I eat breakfast. I study English in the morning.
These are simple sentences, but they are real, and real sentences are easier to remember.
Exactly. Let's make a small story. A learner named David wakes up at 6 o'clock. He drinks water. He eats bread and eggs. Then he studies English for 30 minutes. Little by little, he improves.
And that's how progress happens, not in one day, but day by day.
Now, you open a short English text. You understand many words, but some words are new. What should you do?
Many learners stop immediately and open a dictionary.
Sometimes that's okay, but not for every word. Try to guess the meaning from the sentence. Continue reading. Continue moving forward.
That's what good readers do. They focus on understanding the message, not every single word.
Exactly. This is smart learning. Now, you listen to a short conversation. Listen carefully. What are you doing? I am reading.
Simple and useful.
Now, let's change the sentence. I am speaking. I am learning. I am writing. I am trying.
I like this exercise. One sentence pattern creates many new sentences.
That's right. English becomes easier when you play with the language. Now, let's speak about your day. Today, I wake up early. I study English. I go outside. I see many people.
Don't worry if you speak slowly. Speed is not important. Communication is important.
Exactly. Continue speaking. I feel happy. I learn new words. I try every day.
And every sentence is a victory.
Good communication starts with good questions. Listen. What do I need? Where do I go? Why do I learn English?
And now let's answer. I need practice. I go step by step. I learn English for my future.
Beautiful. Simple answers, strong meaning. Now, imagine you meet someone online. You say, hello, how are you? What is your name?
The other person answers. You listen carefully. Maybe you understand 50%, maybe 70%. That's okay.
Then you reply, nice to meet you. Congratulations. You are using English in real life. Now, take your notebook, write, today is a good day. I feel strong. I learn English every day.
Then add more details. I make mistakes, but I learn. I speak and I improve.
Wonderful. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teachers. Let's learn some useful words. Morning, afternoon, evening, night.
Now let's use them. The morning is bright. The afternoon is hot. The evening is cool. The night is dark.
Excellent. Now some adjectives. Happy, sad, big, small.
I am happy today. My bag is big. My phone is small.
Very good. Now let's practice a dialogue. Hello. Hello. How are you? I am fine. Where are you? I am at home. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Acting dialogues is one of the best ways to learn. It feels like real life.
Now let's create a short story. A girl named Emma wakes up early. She eats breakfast. She goes to school. She studies English. She plays football with friends. She eats dinner. She sleeps at night.
Now let's add details. Emma drinks tea in the morning. She walks to school with her friend. She studies English in class. She plays football in the afternoon.
Look at that. The story is becoming richer, and your English is becoming stronger. Now, stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself. Smile. Say, I am learning. I am growing. I am improving.
This sounds simple, but it works. Your confidence grows when you encourage yourself.
Exactly. Say, good job. Well done. Keep going.
You are your own coach.
Now the day is ending. You sit quietly. You think about your journey. Before, English felt difficult. Now it feels easier. Before, you were afraid. Now you are brave. Maybe your progress is small, but progress is still progress.
That's right. Every new word matters. Every sentence matters. Every practice session matters.
Today was your first practice day. You listened, you spoke, you read, you wrote, you learned.
And tomorrow, we will continue, one step at a time, one lesson at a time, one success at a time. Remember, you do not need perfect English. You only need consistent practice.
Keep learning, keep believing, keep speaking. Your English journey is alive. Your English journey is strong. And this is only the beginning. Welcome back, everyone. If you are still listening, that means you are serious about your English journey, and that makes me happy. Remember, you do not need to be perfect. You only need to keep going.
I like that, Sarah. Many learners think they must know thousands of words before speaking, but that is not true. You can start speaking with simple words today.
Exactly. Let's continue our practice. Imagine it is the afternoon. You finish your work, you finish your school day, now you have some free time. What can you do? You can practice English. Even 15 minutes can help you improve.
15 minutes sounds easy. Most people spend more than 15 minutes on their phones every day.
That is true. So let's use some of that time wisely. You take your notebook, you open a new page. You write 5 words: book, friend, house, water, food.
Simple words, words we use every day.
Now let's make sentences. I have a book. My friend is kind. My house is small. I drink water. The food is good.
This is how vocabulary grows. One word becomes one sentence. One sentence becomes a conversation.
Very good. Now let's practice speaking. Listen and repeat. I like learning English. I practice every day. I am not afraid to make mistakes.
That last sentence is important. Many learners are afraid of mistakes.
Yes, but mistakes are normal. Let me tell you a short story. A young man named Alex wanted to learn English. Every day, he listened to English podcasts. Every day, he read simple texts. But he was afraid to speak. One day, he decided to try. He spoke with an online friend. He made many mistakes. Sometimes he used the wrong words. Sometimes he forgot vocabulary.
What happened then?
His friend understood him. His friend smiled. His friend encouraged him. And little by little, Alex became more confident.
That is a great lesson. The goal is communication, not perfection.
Exactly. Now let's learn some useful daily expressions. Listen carefully. How was your day? My day was good. What are you doing? I am studying English. Are you busy? No, I am free.
These expressions are very common. You can use them with friends and classmates.
Let's practice a short conversation. Hello, John. How was your day?
My day was good. I studied English.
Excellent. What are you doing now?
I am listening to this podcast.
Very good. See how easy that is?
Yes, simple conversations help build confidence.
Now let's talk about places. You visit many places every week. Listen and repeat. School, office, market, park, restaurant.
Now let's make sentences. I go to school. I work in an office. I buy food at the market. I walk in the park. I eat at a restaurant.
Wonderful. The more you connect English to your daily life, the easier it becomes. Now imagine you are walking through your neighborhood. Look around. What do you see?
I see houses. I see cars. I see people. I see trees.
Excellent. Learning English is not only about books. You can learn from the world around you. Every object has a name. Every action has a word.
That is a smart way to practice.
Now let's practice describing people. Listen and repeat. He is tall. She is friendly. They are happy. My friend is helpful.
Describing people is useful in everyday conversations.
Let's make a short story. Maria meets a new classmate. His name is Ben. Ben is friendly. He likes reading books. Maria likes reading too. Soon they become friends.
That is a simple story, but it teaches useful vocabulary and grammar.
Exactly. Now let's practice listening. Imagine someone asks, "What do you like?" You answer, "I like music. I like football. I like movies. I like English."
Easy and practical. People often ask this question.
Now let's practice talking about goals. Listen carefully. I want to improve my English. I want to speak confidently. I want to understand movies. I want to travel someday.
Goals are important. They give us motivation.
Yes, when learning becomes difficult, remember your reason. Remember why you started. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to study abroad. Maybe you want to meet new people. Your reason will help you continue.
I think every learner should write down their reason.
That is a wonderful idea. Take your notebook. Write one sentence. Why do I learn English? Now, write your answer. Maybe your answer is simple. That is okay. A simple answer can be powerful.
I learn English for my future.
Excellent. Now let's practice another useful activity, talking about feelings. Listen and repeat. I am happy. I am excited. I am tired. I am relaxed. I am confident.
These words help us express ourselves.
Let's use them in sentences. I am happy because I am learning. I am excited about my future. I am tired after work. I am relaxed at home. I am confident when I practice.
The more we practice, the more confidence we gain.
Very true. Now let's do a quick review. Today, we learned vocabulary. We practiced speaking. We practiced listening. We practiced making sentences. We practiced real conversations.
And we learned something important. Progress comes from practice, not from waiting.
Exactly. Every sentence you speak matters. Every word you learn matters. Every minute you practice matters.
Maybe you still make mistakes. That is normal.
Maybe you still speak slowly. That is normal too. Keep going. Keep learning. Keep trying.
One day, you will listen to English and understand much more.
One day, you will speak English with confidence.
One day, you will look back and see how far you have come.
And that day starts with the small steps you take today. Congratulations! You have finished day 1. You practiced vocabulary, you practiced speaking, you practiced listening, and, most importantly, you practiced believing in yourself.
Remember, learning English is not a race. Everyone learns at a different speed. The important thing is to continue.
Tomorrow is another opportunity, another lesson, another step forward.
So take your notebook, review today's words, read today's sentences, and speak English, even for a few minutes.
Thank you for joining us today. Keep learning, keep growing, keep speaking.
Your future is waiting for you.
And your English journey has only just begun. See you in the next episode of English Life Story. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, and keep practicing.